September ushers out the summer's heat and brings in the crisp fall season. If you're planning a garden that has flowers from spring until fall, you'll want to have asters as one of your fall flowers. The fairest ladies always come. The latest to the ball. The grandest flowers always bloom. And sparkle in the fall. When daisies sweet and lilies pied, when summer roses all have died, through August fields with stately stride, there comes the splendid aster. And not alone the fields she treads, they come a royal bevy. I love to see them hang their heads with dazzling dewdrops heavy. Some, like the princess, clad in blue. And some prefer a livelier hue. For instance, red twixt me and you. I love the snow white aster. They bloom before the country home. And blow away disaster. And in the village gardens you will always find an aster. Till Indian summer winds are lost, by every breeze their crowns are tossed. For naught on earth but snow or frost can kill the stately aster. There are a multitude of aster species, but I'm going to talk about the most commonly found asters in home gardening and North America, the New England aster. Hardy from zones 4 to 8, very easy to grow, fast grower, can grow 3 to 6 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. One of the latest blooming plants, it provides late season food for bees and butterflies. It is an important food source for migrating monarchs. Plant young aster plants mid to late spring after the danger of frost is gone. Plant mature aster plants available at garden centers in the late summer or early fall. If planting more than one, plant them 3 feet apart. They prefer full sun to grow their best, which is 6 to 8 hours of sun per day. They prefer slightly acidic soil with good drainage, but will tolerate clay soil. They prefer moist soil. If soil is dry, they may get leggy. Grow low plants around the base to hide the base and keep moisture in. Because the aster prefers moist soil, you will need to water it during times of little or no rainfall. Pinch back stems until mid-July to get a bushy form. Cut the asters to the ground after they're done flowering and the foliage dies in the fall. If you're not too concerned about garden tidiness, consider leaving the foliage intact to protect overwintering insects and small animals. Plan to fertilize your asters in the spring when new growth appears. Use a water-soluble or granular fertilizer that is formulated for flowering plants. Choose a fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus than it is in nitrogen or potassium. Thou, like a star flower in the wood, thy modest charms are hiding, content with humbly doing good, and in God's love abiding. But though the world observes thee not, in one fond heart thou art treasured, and bright indeed must be the lot that shares a love unmeasured. Please subscribe and hit the like button.